Hello people, so today we will talk about Zoom application. So we will learn the way how we can change the background of your video whenever you use Zoom for your meeting. So you just need to open your Zoom applications right away, and right after that you just need to take a look on this bottom side. There will be five section. You just need to go into the three small dot and just tap it, and now you just need to scrolling down until you found this settings box, and then you just need to go click meetings. Now you just need to focus on the video option and go click this background and effects. So you will have a simulation of the video camera that you will get later whenever you start the meeting with the Zoom. And if you want to change the background, then will show up in this down part here, the background collection that you have. And if you want to get the background from your photo library, you just need to tap this plus button here, and there will be an access into your photo library, and then you just need to go pick the background that you want to use and go click done, and you just need to go click it, and those will be applied into your video camera. So this is the result whenever you got the background change. So basically that is the way how you can change the video from the video background of the Zoom application. Hopefully you found this video is very useful, and let's meet again into other tutorial.